Meaning of dorsal.
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 Dorsal. The term dorsal refers to the upper side or back of an animal or organism. This anatomical term is commonly used to describe the position of certain body parts in relation to others. For example, the dorsal fin of a fish is located on its back rather than on its belly, which is considered the ventral side. In humans, the dorsal side of the hand refers to the top of the hand, while the palm is located on the ventral side. Overall, the term dorsal is used to describe a specific anatomical location on an organism's body.